Welcome back. This is Dave with Pressure Washing Guides. Today I wanted to make a video highlighting the new toy I just got, a 48-inch Whisper washer. Now I am using this with my 8.5 gallon Honda IGX 800. Now usually you want to go 4 inches per 1 gallon of water. So an 8-gallon machine is going to be roughly a 32 inch instead of a 48. The only downside is I just got to walk a little bit slower. This is an oversized single driveway here, as you see. Now with this, as you see on this job, I was doing the driveway, a house wash. It had a back patio and sidewalk. But for this, with the 48 inch, this was a perfect place to test it out. I got a hell of a deal on it. I bought a second 8-gallon machine. A company, they had extra equipment that they didn't need. So I scooped it up with the other 8-gallon machine for $2,000 cash. This thing usually sells for about $2,500 alone, so I could not pass up the deal. Now, even being an oversized single car driveway with my 24 inch, this might take me 30 minutes. As you're going to see with this thing is a beast. Now, the one thing, it was used and I did not change the tips on it. It didn't leave any striping per se on the sides. It left a little striping down the center, which makes me think maybe one of the tips are clogged. So I'm just going to adjust that. But overall, I could not be happier with this machine. If you're looking for a great brand in general, Whisper Washer is one of the best out there. They're heavy duty. And when you get into 8-gallon machines, especially if you're trying to get into commercial, doing parking lots, things of that sort, you definitely want to pick up something like this machine. For residential, it makes it a joke. I almost had to just mess around a little bit so I didn't look like I did it too fast. Now, I edited out a lot of the overall footage, but it took me, I think, about 10 minutes from start to finish from the time I fired it up to edging in the other parts of the driveway. That's insane. To be able to do a driveway in 10 minutes, like what more do you want? I could line up jobs. I know a lot of people talk crap on the $99 guy, but you know, if you can do 5 or 6 in the neighborhood and knock them out in say 15, 20 minutes a piece, start to finish, you're still making a dang good job during that day. So, I mean, I don't hate on those people as far as that. I don't do no $99 roof cleanings or anything else like that. I look at doing driveways like this as a way to get my foot in the door. So I started off this job. I actually got this job doing my Google ads, and that's how I landed them. I'm roughly spending about $100 a month right now on Google ads, and it's been generating me, I don't know, I want to say 4 to 5 jobs a week. More than enough. Plus I get a bunch of organic traffic going to my website. But just thinking about that, to be able to get your Google ad, come here, I just bid for the driveway. You know, I bid $100. And then while walking the property, I said, hey, have you thought about doing a house wash? I could see, you know, the gutters, the soffits, everything was pretty dirty. So I turned a $100 job into a $500 job. So that's why, like, I don't act like I'm better than anybody turning down those $100 jobs, for the fact that if done correctly and you walk the property with them, even though I'm only doing the driveway, I walked the entire property, talked about some other things I could do, and now I turned it into a big job and started to get some neighbors, and they left me a 5-star review. Hope this video was a good showcase of the power of this 48-inch machine and why you should get one if you have an 8-gallon per minute machine. This thing will speed up the jobs tremendously. It will pay for itself in a matter of a month or two, and it looks great sitting on the side of my trailer. Really makes me stand out against all my other competition. Follow me for more guides like this. Down below, ask any questions you may have. I'd love to help out any way I can. As always though, have a great day.